it's Emma with Emma Flhair. I wanted to say hello and welcome to my first voiced in-person video, and I'm going to share with you during this video quick how to go from bedhead to gorgeous in about 10 minutes or less. For this tutorial, you're going to need a water bottle. I have this with essential oils in it of cedar wood and a little bit of water, a round dry brush that has a bunch of my hair in it, and then a blow dryer and a curling iron. I'm gonna start by spraying my hair. I have a double crown in the back. See this beautiful lump? I have a double crown, so I'm gonna wet that bad boy down because we gotta blow that out. It's gonna make me look like I have a bald spot back there. Any spot that's needing a little bit of TLC, usually, tip, it's gonna be the top of your hair. And then underneath, since I have a little bit of waviness and different texture underneath my hair, I'm gonna spray that as well. Your dry brush. I'm gonna get out most of the hair in here first. Your round brush and your blow dryer. You're gonna section out your hair and blow dry. Start by taking the back section, like this, right? Get that cowlick up into your brush. I'm gonna brush through a couple times until I have a good mix of hair, or a good chunk of hair. Good mix of having the back, maybe a couple pieces from the front. I'm gonna flip this to low heat. No, high heat. And I'm just gonna blow dry that out. Repeat. See already how much better that's looking. Now that that is done, you can wear your hair like this, no problem. Or if you want to do something a little bit fancier, 4 more minutes left. Get your curling iron out, let that bad boy heat up. If your hair is a bit oily, maybe you condition it too much, maybe it's just, oily from the day, maybe you just got done working out, you can use one of these. I like this one because it has tapioca and rice instead of having your wheat protein, since I'm gluten-free. So what you'll want to do is just spray it at the ends. My hair's actually not even really oily, but it tends to get oily. So I'm gonna throw it in my hair. Oh, can't hurt. Low setting, it's ready to go. And then we'll finish the same thing. I'm curling backwards, not forwards to my face. I want to frame my face, so I'm going to curl it backwards. Oh, look at that. Perfect. All right. Hair is done, looking fabulous in under 10 minutes. What do you guys think? I think it worked out pretty good. Yes, so you can go from bedhead without having to kill your hair with high heat by sleeping on it overnight. And so I'm gonna get ready and then take pictures for my after I'm so excited. This turned out so well, and I hope that you guys can grow your long locks. And if you guys need more style tips and tricks, stay tuned for our main Monday every single Monday, or you can also check in with our Instagram at @emmaflhair.